and in this video we are assembling the Beehive box card. So I have laid out all my pieces and I have already applied the centers to my flowers. This is an A2 card. So it's a little bit smaller. I'm just going to fold, this is the base, the part that makes up the box. And I'm going to first put one side of this together. Okay, then I'm just going to lay it out flat because I feel like it'll be easier to manage this way. On the back of the card, you just have one beehive piece without all the different layers. And then these circles are for your sentiments. Okay, just like that. Now, I have already glued the black and yellow together on my bee, and I made the bee just a little bit bigger because it didn't cut really well. I am using an old blade and an old mat, but I still wanted it to cut a little bit better. So the bee will be just a little bit bigger. And then I'm just going to arrange these layers starting with the biggest down to the smallest. I'm just using the table to make sure that they're level. Then I'm just going to glue this onto the front of the card. You want to line it up to the top because there's like a wooden table that the beehive is sitting on. I'm going to put on the little door. For the wings of the bee, I'm just applying a glue dot in the center. So that I can fold the wings up, maybe. I think I might have to let this dry for a few minutes before I do that, maybe. There we go. And just kind of fold them up, give it a little bit of dimension. use my pen here just to make sure those are stuck down. Just like that. Now I'm going to set this up aside and I'm going to pull this in. And I'm just going to glue my flowers into place. I do have a pickup tool to use for these because these are small. You don't need a whole lot. You don't need a whole lot of glue for these. I'm just trying to find how the flowers line up. It's not symmetrical, so it takes just a second to find how to line it up. And then you can't really see this whole last flower right here, but you can kind of see the two petals of where it goes. It just goes right there. So it takes just a few minutes, but it's not too bad putting these flowers on. And if you don't want to take the time to put the centers in, you could use jewels or those little stickles. Those look really cute on there. But this card has only one insert, so you're just going to fold those sides. Bring your card in. I'm going to put glue right on the tab. And just glue it right in place. Then I'm going to come over here and put glue on the tab, on this tab. Fold this over, and I'm going to glue it here to this side. Then we can close the card up. And you'll want to fold it both ways so that the card is opening and closing well. And then just kind of spot where you want your bees to be. And I think that I want to use some foam tape. And I am going to put, I've noticed over time that this foam tape is not holding. So if you, excuse me, if you get the foam tape from the Dollar Tree, I would suggest adding some glue to it, because again, I've noticed that my foam tape over time is giving out. And there it is. There is the Beehive boxed card. Thank you for joining me.